Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I like bike shorts that are the perfect length, not too tight, of a very comfortable material, and that have pockets. So this 4-pack of biker shorts from Zonoss fit all of my criteria. The material is thick and stretchy. There's a pocket on each side, and the waist is a wide, high waist, so it doesn't roll down. I like the length of the shorts. I traveled with them, so not just for exercising, not just for biking, but I walked with them, I wore them casually, and I'm really happy with how easy they were to travel with, how comfortable and soft the material is. Something else that sets these shorts apart is the fact that the inseam has a wider space at the top, which makes them more comfortable and they do not ride up on me. So if that is important to you, then I highly recommend these shorts. You want to be comfortable in a pair of bike shorts. You're going to love this because not only are they comfortable and soft and have great colors, but there's 4 of them in the pack. So an incredible value. I've washed them, thrown them in the dryer. I'm wearing an extra large and I feel that they run true to size for my body. Not too tight, but there is an element of slimming. And again, pockets. Who doesn't love pockets? So these are a win-win in my book. I'm really happy with this set of bike shorts, and that is my point of view.